Kia ora whānau. It's another beautiful day. I got the whole day to spend doing whatever I want to do because I got no work. So today I'll be going on a run. It's going to be a long run. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for a bit of it. Just putting on my shoes now. These are some old shoes. I'm just about to take the laces off of them and put them onto these even older shoes. Look how raggedy they are. Weathered down. But see that toe box? These old shoes are barefoot shoes. I got them a long time ago because I was conscious about foot health. And the Converses I wear to work are starting to hurt my feet, so I'm gonna go for a run in these. If you watched my last video when I took Barkley for a hike and reflected on the season, you would have seen me talk about what I wanted to do on this channel, which was to make videos, long videos of my trainings throughout the week. So today is Tuesday. Didn't do any training yesterday. I did do some stretching, which I need to make a habit of, you know, just stretch on my days off, stretch every day, stretch. That's what I did yesterday. It wasn't too much. All I did was try to stretch out my hammies because I can never get enough of that. But yeah, today's Tuesday and we're gonna start this series by going on a long run. To be more specific, this run's gonna be a zone 2 run. I've got my heart rate monitor. Gonna aim to run for around an hour, see how we go. Might not go for an hour, but let's just see how we feel. I'm still not used to holding the camera in public, so when I go for this run and I'm just holding the camera while I run, it's gonna feel weird with all the people driving past. But hey, we're here to share the journey. Oh yeah, the lace fits the shoe, nice. Look how worn down it is, man. It spent some time in the rain. They were just abandoned, neglected, mistreated. Poor shoes. Just as comfortable as I remember. That's all that matters. Once I've finished doing up my shoes, I'm just gonna warm up and then we'll get on with the run. They feel so nice. Gonna be tracking my heart rate throughout the run. Try and stay around 150, 145. That's for me, that's my zone 2 heart rate, I think, approximately. So the strap sits just below the chest. I got the monitor itself here. It's got left and right markers, so that's just gonna clip on and then it'll connect to my phone via Bluetooth. All right, we're ready. Time to get warmed up. All right, we just passed 22 minutes into this run. We've almost reached our halfway point. I'm starting to rethink my plan for this workout. I was originally going to go all the way to one point and then turn around and go all the way home. But today I'm feeling a bit sore in my calves. It must be because I haven't done this kind of thing in a while now. So instead of pushing for the hour, 1 hour straight running, I'm just gonna relax a bit once I reach my end point, and then maybe we'll walk home. Just take it easy because we got sevens training tonight. Better make sure I'm ready for that. Here in Australia, it's September. That's the first day of spring, but man, it's already sunny as. You know what that means. Sunny days means it's sunburn season. Don't worry, I'll put on my sunscreen. Make sure you do too. Stopping at Coles just to get some water. Protein bar as well. I definitely did not just catch an Uber home. You know, I think I mentioned I was going to walk home, you know, get some good active recovery, but the only problem is time is ticking. I want to go see my physio and get some acupuncture on my calves. They are a bit sore after that run, so I need to do as much recovery as I can before training tonight, because I'm gonna die tonight. So I just checked the bookings and there's no available appointments today, which is great. I think I'll just sit in this sauna for a while. Once I roll them out, I'm gonna have another snack and have a nap. I don't think the only reason why my calves are sore from that long run is because I haven't done a long run in a while. I feel like the shoes, blame it on the shoes. No, it's because they don't have any cushioning, so calves had to do a lot more work. Combine that with the long run and then you get sore calves. The right calf, this one doesn't feel too bad. It's surprising though. This is the calf that was hurt during the season. And now, the good calf is really sore. I'm hoping to do more long runs, long slow runs later in the week. Just depends on how fatigued I feel. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, we're at the shops. Let me tell you, that nap made a big difference. It was about an hour and a half. Yeah, my calves are feeling a lot better from that. So I'm just here at the shops, picking up a few things, and then we go to training. More water to keep up the hydration. We are here for a ball. A rugby union ball. Let's have a look. $100. Oh my gosh. I'm getting the Wallabies ball. It's a bit cheaper. But I was also thinking I don't want my ball to get mixed up with anyone's at the club. And no one's got one of these, so let's go with this one. Yo, it is Thursday. We're at the rugby field. Today is Thursday training. I didn't film any training yesterday. I could have done some stretching for you guys just to show you what I should be doing on a rest day, but we didn't. So today is Thursday and I'm not going to be training, not going to be doing any running at least, because my calves are all blown up from Tuesday. Still, just before I came here, I went and saw my physio at work, got some cupping done on my calves, and just while these guys suffer in their running, I'm going to be practicing ball skills. That's what I really need. So, let's go over to the post, do some passing.
See on the pass, we're already going out. Makes it easy for everyone outside of you. They gotta hold their depth. Owen! Push up. Slide. Cutting. Nice. Who's first? Who's first receiver? Down. Yeah, nice, good. Well. Ah, Jesse for whipping! Down.
Whew. I almost thought that $60 just went down the creek. Lucky we found the ball. I was looking for quite a while, but just as I was about to give up, I found it. Lucky. Moving into Friday, my calves are still sore, so we just rested up and did lots of stretching throughout the day. Some massaging here, as you can see. Since I didn't spend any money in the day, I decided to treat myself to a big feast. Rest day, no training today, and we're about to go eat at Feast. Two of the most important things about rest days is that you gotta eat right and sleep right. So we're taking care of the eat right part right now. It has been a while since I've been to a buffet. I do make sure that what I eat is nutritious, even though I am eating a lot. That's just the number one rule for me. Saturday. What a beautiful morning to kickstart the day with some social touch. These sessions are the ones that my teammates always go to, pretty much every Wednesday and Saturday. But I haven't made any of them. This is my first time going and it was a good time. I loved playing. Just wish I could play a bit harder or go a bit harder because my calves are still sore. The main reason I wanted to go there was to see everyone, but I also brought my own ball to do my own ball skills. So I did that most of the time I was there. I just didn't want to be running around the whole time. As soon as I got home from this, I had my protein and then I went to sleep. I pretty much had 5 naps, 5 long naps, and then I woke up just in time to watch the Bledisloe. Oh, the Bledisloe. Up the Wallabies. Oh, they're going to the sideline. Should have let it go out. Okay. It was a close one. Almost won. I mean, almost made the comeback. But it is what it is. I will always believe we will win this Bledisloe one day. One day. I would have liked to see Tate McDermott start and Jake Gordon on the bench. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one.